everyone, so how to install JoinMe on Mac. So super easy, just go to JoinMe. First you will need to create your account with your email and password, and after that you will be redirected to this page. So you should download and you will download JoinMe zip archive, then just open and then just start. So I have this archive here. I'll just click on it. So I just clicked on it, and then this new icon appears, and then I will just click on this new icon, and then you will see that JoinMe appears in the here in bottom right usually. So that's that. Then you will have this installation process. Okay, open. And there you have it. And that's the tool. So yeah, that's how you install it. Thanks for watching.